Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and we just came to the beach. This is a beach that is close to my house. It's 10-15 minutes walking distance. We didn't want to go to the beach near like right by my house because it's really overcrowded today here. And we're just trying to be a little bit safe with this whole corona ordeal that's going around and the variant. So we just wanted to be somewhere that there is barely anyone. But we can't really go for a swim because the waves are humongous. They're so big. It won't be safe. So we've really been able to go for a swim this year because every time we come to the beach, there's big waves. And there's no lifeguard here or anything. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. Get to go in the water because of the waves. The waves just never went down, but it's really nice just sitting here and me and Daria are just sitting here and talking about things. And now it's a little bit cloudy and we're gonna go home soon, but it was a really nice day to spend just relaxing on the beach on a Sunday. And I hope you guys, wherever you are in the world, that you guys have a beach or a lake or somewhere that you can also go and spend your day. Because it's actually really relaxing when you are by the water, and it just takes away all your worries and everything that's on your mind. It just kind of cleanses it, and it just gives you such a positive energy and a positive vibe, and it just feels really good. I love Alanya, but one thing I don't really like is that, especially on holidays, people litter and like they throw plastic cups and just garbage all over the beach, and they have no respect for nature, and I really don't like that. I mean, nature gives us such beautiful beauty and it gives us so much, and we just ruin it. Why can people just throw their garbage in plastic and throw it in the garbage? Why do they have to like throw it all over the place? And it's so bad because it goes into the sea and it gets stuck onto animals, you know, birds, and I just don't like to see stuff like that. And because I love nature, and I think we should really respect nature and love it. Don't destroy it. On our way home now, we are walking along a really nice path that is very lush and it's very green. It's perfect for taking pictures actually here. We didn't really even get tanned today. Tanned today? No.
Look, I look here at also.
This is gonna go on video on YouTube.
Please look. This is my crazy hair here.
We're talking about hair and what we could do to lighten my hair up.
My crazy hair here.
Your hair looks fine.
Crazy one.
No, it's
No, not for me.
This is gonna go on YouTube.
It's live or what? No.
Yeah, it's live. It is.
Nice.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
I swear to God.